Hey everyone, welcome back to Baum Grillin'z. On today's episode, we are going to be doing a building grill of the Weber Go Anywhere charcoal grill. All right, let's get right into it. Okay, we'll just go ahead and open it up. All right, so we got a assembly guide here. Weber Grills app, charcoal grill owner's guide. All right, we'll set those aside. And we'll just pull the rest of this out of here. All right, let's just start unboxing this beast. Set that aside. Looks like the legs here. Over there. There's the bottom. Looking good. More cardboard. And looks like those are going to be the air vents or dampeners. And we got a couple of handles here. Grab those out. Set those aside. And then it looks like just the lid. And I love the way that the Webers look. Also some washers and stuff. All right, so the only tool you're going to need to assemble this is a Phillips head screwdriver. Okay, so we're just going to start off with the handles. We're just going to tear open a bag here. You should just have your handle, separate it, and a screw. We'll go ahead and do the top here first. Okay, so just take the bottom of that handle, kind of wedge it under there. Take the top, place it on top. Get your screw in there. Make sure you don't over tighten it. Handle's on there nice and tight. Let's go ahead and do the bottom. We'll have two handles on this one as well. All right, there we go. Bottom's got its handles on it. So now what we got to do is we got to put our feet on. Very simple, very, very simple. Okay, so take your legs. They're going to be facing like this. They're actually going to stand like that. Something like that. Okay, now what we need to do is need to get our washers. Open those up. You're going to put a washer on each leg. Then you'll just take your dampeners and you'll set those on there. Put one side there, one side on there. Okay, just like that. Make sure this is on the bottom. Go ahead and pull that in kind of close. Right to there. We'll go ahead and snap it in. Now I just found it really easy to just kind of pull them apart like that, one at a time. Just kind of click it in. But whatever's the easiest way you do it, you'll figure it out. Now we'll just go ahead and flip the legs around, just like that, like that. We're gonna take this clip and we're just gonna connect it right on this side here. Make sure it's angling this direction. Snap it down, okay? This is just so you can lock the legs. So what you do is you flip it over, like that, pull them together, push it under. Makes those legs nice and secure. Thing ain't going anywhere. All right, we're basically there. All we need to do now is put in the charcoal grate, and it's just gonna rest right on these feet. Right down there. Just gonna set this right on top of those. It's a nice fit. Then we got our grill grate. There you go. Add that to the top. And then go ahead and put your lid on. Because you done. All right, she's done. I mean, that's fairly simple, you guys. Real easy. Okay, so right here is your damper. This is where your airflow is. You got it on both sides. Real easy to control. You can just lower this down to stop all airflow, or maybe even just raise up half of it. Well, something like that. Whatever you got to do to maintain your fire. All right, so we'll just fold it up real quick and take it somewhere to go cook a steak. Turn that one leg over. Turn the other leg over. Nice and solid right there. Oh yeah. Woo-hoo. All right, we made it to the park. This place is nice. Nice and quiet, nice and green. Feels good out here. All right, let's cook a steak. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this out. We're gonna line the bottom with some tin foil just to make everything a little easier to clean up. Make sure you don't block your vent holes. Get that charcoal going. Now I'm gonna start my charcoal in this little mini chimney. The wife went ahead and got me this. Now what's really cool about this is that it will fit right inside here. It'll fit right inside here when I want to make it all compact and just have everything ready to go. I really like that. I'll show you guys that in a later video. Okay, so while we wait for that charcoal, we'll go ahead and get our steak all seasoned up. Oh, this is gonna be good. Okay, we're keeping it simple. We've got a little bit of olive oil here. Brush that on there, just for a binder. Then we'll hit it with some sea salt and some pepper. All right, those coals are ready. Now we're just gonna set them off on indirect here. We'll go ahead and dump those out. Okay, so we're gonna let the grill heat up real nice and hot so it can burn off some of those oils that come from the factory. And then we're gonna go ahead and just get to cooking that steak. This thing's gonna be really good. I cannot wait. Did I mention it's really hot out here too? Oh yeah, she's getting hot. Burn them greases. All right, let's get that steak on there. Go ahead and give it a turn. All right, we'll go ahead and give it a flip. All right, we're gonna flip it over to indirect and finish the cook. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Man, this little grill's pretty cool. I can imagine myself going all types of different places with this thing. Go anywhere, right? Go ahead and give that a check. Oh yeah, time to pull it off and let it rest. Go ahead and throw some tin foil over the top of that. Now we'll just let that rest for a few minutes, and then we'll slice and dice and take a bite. All right, let's go ahead and slice into that and see how it looks. We'll just go ahead and get a piece out of here. Oh, yes. Oh, look at that. Oh. All right, there we go. That looks awesome. Let's just go ahead and just take a bite, because I'm hungry. Oh yeah, that's perfectly cooked. It's super tender. It's just easy to chew. It's delicious. That is really good steak right there. Really good. Oh. That little Weber Go Anywhere, that's a great little grill. Now there are a couple things that I noticed on it, and I'm going to change them. And I've seen a lot of people do it too. But the vents and things are really hot to the touch when you touch them. So I'm gonna make that a little bit easier on myself next time. And I'll show you guys that as well. But overall, I'm really excited about this grill. I think it's gonna be something that I use quite often, whether it's just with the family or not, I don't know. But yeah, that's what I'm talking about, steak. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more videos like this. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and eat my steak.